This isn't just a run, it's a celebration, years in the making. We launched from River Road, where generations have walked, marched, and dreamed.
We charged through Bogota's tradition-filled streets, each one echoing with pride and memory.
We passed the homes that raised us, the corners that shaped us, and the cheers that never stopped.
And then we entered the newly renovated park, a symbol of what happens when a community refuses to settle. We surged towards Feigel Field, onto the brand new track, in front of roaring bleachers with the Bogota High School band playing us home.
This is homecoming. This is unity. This is Bogota. We honor the past, we embrace our future, and we sprint to the finish for a new beginning.
Go to Bogota5k.com to register now.